Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert numbered list in publisher table. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to insert number list into table. Firstly, we insert a table. Click the text box, then go to the insert menu. Now we can see here many options. Select the table option, then insert column and rows to insert a table. Then click the table and move up. Then click on the first column of this table and go back the home menu. Then click the numbering option and choose any number list. Now we can see we insert a number list in this publisher table very easily. You can write anything on the table. Now I write. Now we can see we insert number list into table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.